morning once again, YouTube. A little bit of a change of pace today. Not working on any projects. I actually just took my baby out of storage. So what we're in here is a 2009 CTS-V that I bought in 2010, 2011? I can't remember now. So this was a lease return car with 15,000 miles on it when I bought it. It's now got 60,000 on it, and it's been unbelievable. I love this car. It's an automatic. Boo-hoo, I know, on purpose. So I've had plenty of stick cars all my life. I do not want a stick car in this. This is my cruise around, have fun, don't want to be dealing with a stick in traffic car. And you always got the debate back and forth, the automatics are faster than the standards in these cars. Well, it's the truth. The automatics are faster than the standards, just because the gearing of the transmission and the way it launches, it just doesn't blow the tires up off the line like a standard would. So that's what it is. I've got it automatic. Deal with it. Give me a puke emojis, whatever. I don't care. So what I've got done to this car, I have not much. Suspension, I have the now defunct D3 Engineering. I have their drop springs, uncut. Gives me about an inch to an inch and a half drop. I have gone with a squared wheel and tire setup. I have 285, the factory rear 285, 35, 19, all the way around in this car. And I have 10 millimeter spacers on the front and 8 millimeter spacers on the rear, so everything sits nice and flush. I've repainted the wheels a Maserati black metallic color. They were originally factory polished, and then I went with the factory black graphite and have since painted those this color. I'm running Michelin Pilot Sport P4S's on them. Love them. I've had nothing but Michelin tires on this, gone from the factory PS2s to a PS2 German spec for the BMW to Pilot Super Sport, and now we're on the P4S. Let's see, anything else on suspension? No, I think that's it suspension-wise. Drivetrain-wise, I have a Corsa cold air kit, a gate screen belt, stock pulleys on this car, full-length stainless exhaust, all the way back, X-pipe into Corsa Sports. Insane, love them. No drone inside, so loud outside. And that's about it for powertrain. I have an Adam Little ALM hat on the fuel pump to correct the right angle fuel fitting that cracks on these. It's notorious for. And that's it, drivetrain. And then my own tune. I have HPTuners, I do tune. I'm not a professional, but I know enough to tune my own vehicles. So it is tuned. And body-wise, I have a Weapon X spoiler on the back with a ZL1adons Wicker bill. I also have ZL1adons flares behind the front tires. I have it's basically a China carbon hood, but it's a heat extractor hood, carbon, in a carbon outer, fiberglass inner, and what's the spoilers? Oh, Black Moon. I have Black Moon aero kit all the way around the thing. And we have smoked out all the reflectors. I have also, actually body-wise, Weapon X carbon fiber fog light buckets, wide mouth buckets. And other than that, that's it. I mean, you'll see it all once I get into work. I just pulled it out of the garage, like I said, for the first time this season. It's going down to get a sticker because it was due in January, but you know, it's in storage in January. And then we're gonna take it for a ride and take it home. And I gotta give it a good cleaning, fill the tires up because they're a little bit low from sitting all winter. But other than that, we're good to go. is how my day's been going. Traffic.